In this video, we'll explore the stunning Bethesda Terrace, a central gem in Central Park here in New York City, known for its breathtaking architecture and vibrant atmosphere.
In the silence of the halls, I find whispers of the past unwind.
So here guys, the area called Bethesda Terrace.
Bethesda?
Bethesda, yeah. So right there on the right, you're gonna see the Bethesda fountain.
Oh.
Bethesda fountain right there is the most popular spot for movies. A lot of movies are filmed in this area. When Harry Met Sally, Home Alone 2, John Wick, Avengers. It's a very popular spot.
John Wick.
John Wick.
You know the John Wick second was Keanu Reeves. One of the scenes was filmed downstairs in the tunnel.
Oh wow.
So I'll make a stop. You can go down and see around here. It's very beautiful. For up to 10-15 minutes. I'll be here all the time. And by the way, that circle right there is the geographical center of the Manhattan Island.
Oh, this up
Right there, yeah. That's a circle.
Cool.
So if you like, you can go down and see around. I'll be here.
Okay, thank you.
Never fails. Think museum's treasures vast. Stories spoken from the past. Art and relics old and grand. Hold the secrets of the land.
We are here at the southwest corner of Central Park at Columbus Circle. It's also sometimes used as a reference point for the center of Manhattan Island. So they did the movie John Wick here in this tunnel at the bottom.
When Harry Met Sally. They said a lot of them, right?
Yeah. So this is one of the most popular tunnels here in Central Park. And all these lakes here are man-made. You can see our lakes here. Do you want to take a photo on at the bottom of that fountain? With that image?
I just did a selfie of us.
Yeah, just at the bottom. With the thing. Yeah, and then you can come up.
In the silence of the halls I find.
Oh wow, that's how it looks like. And this is the Bethesda Terrace. It's among the top 10 places to visit in New York City's Central Park, and it's a beloved spot for visitors and movie fans alike. It's been featured in films like The Elf, Enchanted, The Avengers, and a dozen others. The terrace boasts an expansive two-level design with a magnificent Bethesda fountain just behind us and a heavily ornamented arcade. Many visitors overlook the rich history and artistic details of Bethesda Terrace amidst the vastness of Central Park. While most people flock to the lower bottle or the Alice in Wonderland statue, Bethesda Terrace remains a tranquil oasis. It's a prime example of how Central Park's designers, Frederick Law Olmsted and Calvert Vaux, intended the park to be a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The intricate details and stunning architecture of the terrace makes it a must-visit for anyone exploring the park. From the stunning stonework to the beautiful Bethesda fountain, every aspect of this gem is steeped in history and artistic flair. Bethesda Terrace is truly a special place with its unique blend of natural beauty and man-made architecture. I need a photo in this tunnel.
It's a huge park. It requires a lot of resources to maintain it. So the budget of the park every year is about $80 million.
80?
How much?
$80 million.
$80 million.
Wow.
And 75% of the budget mostly comes from donation of the public. Most New Yorkers that donate to the park to maintain it. And as a form of donation, you can put the silver plate. You can see around the park there are a lot of benches, and every bench has like a silver plate. Every single place you can put your name, your quote, anything you want.
Okay.
And it costs only $10,000 to install.
Wow.
$10,000 for your name to be on the bench.
And you need to renew it every year.
Wow. They got to come up with that 80 million somehow.
Yeah. It's like there are about 10,000 installed places around the park.
10,000. Wow.
It's a lot of movies. And here on the left you can see the Central Park Carousel.
Oh, what is that? The Central Park what?
Carousel.
Carousel?
Yeah, carousel.
Oh, for like the little horses that do the plastic horse thing?
Oh, okay.
The children's carousel, and
Okay.
it's the oldest indoor carousel in New York City as well.
Very cool.
So how long have you been riding this?
It's like for 3 months.
3 months?
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Work like 2 days a week.
2 days a week?
Saturdays and Sundays, just busy time.
That's cool. It's fun.
That's the busy time, you say.
Yeah, it's like a busy time and it's fun work. It's my friend's company, the website you will book.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So that's why I come and help my friend mostly.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
That's so nice.
I myself, I'm a videographer. I work full time.
Really?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Are you freelance or?
Yeah, I'm a freelance, but I also affiliate with 2 fashion brands as well.
Oh, wow.
New
Nice.
York's all about fashion. And stuff,
Yeah.
So it's very busy here.
Very cool. I guess this is the place to be for photography.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Mhm.
The demand is very high in New York
Oh,
City.
demand is high?
It's very high, yes. You can find anytime, any job.
Yeah.
So cars can't drive here, only like bikes and things?
Yeah, cars can drive, but only the New York police car and the rangers.
Got it.
But before 2019, the cars were allowed, the traffic. But then
Oh,
it was
wow.
prohibited because there were a lot of accidents with pedestrians. and
Yeah.
A lot of it is very busy, and when there's a car, so it's like, gets crazy.
Okay.
They were bad. But still, you can see the traffic lights. They are
Yeah.
still on.
Oh, okay.
But only for police officers. They can drive the cars.
But they are also for helicopters and horse carriages to regulate the traffic with pedestrians as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. Is that the Rockefeller building? Was that the building we were in? Was that the Rockefeller? Hey. Is that the Rockefeller building? I think
What happened?
is that the Rockefeller? Which is, because it looked like it's that one.
Well, no, because it's south.
south?
Whichever way was south.
I thought it's this side.
Oh, I'm turned
Look, I
around.
think that's it. I'm not sure.
Yep, it's over there.
You see it?
That's the building we were just on top of.
Which one? Run straight?
It's in between these 2 tall ones there.
Oh.
Oh wait, no,
That's not
maybe
it.
not. That says Comcast.
Oh, the one behind it. I've seen it. It's behind.
Is
It's
that
behind.
the one?
Yeah, it's behind the tall one. That's it.
Guys, right in front of you, the building with the green roof is the Plaza Hotel.
Oh,
the
Plaza.
most famous hotel in New York City,
Yeah.
which was also featured in the Home Alone 2. You
Oh,
know, when
wow.
Kevin McAllister gets a room, that's the Plaza Hotel.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so here I'll make the first stop for the photos.
Yeah.
So this rock right here is the most popular spot in New York, in the Central Park to take photos. So
Yeah.
because you have a view for the whole Midtown skyline.
Oh,
Take a
cool.
stop
Let's go and do
here.
that.
And if
You wanna get
can
out?
hop off and
Yeah,
take the
let's go.
photos right there.
Yeah, okay. Cool.
Copy, then there's row.
Okay.
So where is Trump's building?
Sorry?
Trump's building? Where is that?
Trump Towers, you see that building, the brown.
Oh, the brown one?
Yes, all the windows. That's the Trump Tower.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And yes, by the way, that's the tall building, right? The tallest one.
Yeah, the tallest one?
That's the tallest residential building in the world.
Oh, that's a residential building?
Wow.
Oh, wow. So who's living up there at the top?
You gotta be a billionaire.
Billionaires,
to have
yes.
that kind of a skyscraper view.
It's like incredible. $100 million on top floors and prices.
Wow. Wow, that's crazy.
A lot of money that circulates in this area is very expensive.
Yeah.
Never fails. Think museums treasures vast. Stories spoken from the past. Art and relics old and grand.
This horse get tired? Ponies?
Sorry?
The ponies, do they get tired?
That one pony died the other day.
Yes, I mean, they take care of them, but
Yeah.
sometimes when it's very busy, they may get tired as well, yeah.
Oh, wow.
We saw the Ballad of Buster Scruggs.
Oh, look at the squirrel. Look at that squirrel.
So right here, we have a statue of a Balto right there, dedicated for a dog.
Yeah.
So Balto, if you ever watched this animated movie called Balto, it's based on the story of an Alaskan husky.
Oh.
In 1925, there was an epidemic of diphtheria, the disease in Alaska.
Okay.
And the Balto was an elite of a sled dogs. They were carrying a medicine.
Yeah.
And that time, they had to carry medicine to another city, the city of Nome. It was 600 miles off the way.
Yeah.
And Balto was among a few who survived the snowstorm. They successfully delivered the medicine, and they saved 400 children from disease.
Oh, wow.
So since that time, Balto is the national hero of the United States.
Oh, wow.
The statue was gifted by Alaska in the early 20th century, and they say if you touch the feet of Balto, it brings you health. You're not going to be sick anymore.
Oh, wow.
It's a symbol of well-being.
Oh, wow. Gosh, man.
Concrete jungle where we play. Neon lights guide my way. Bronx to Brooklyn every day. Subway rides, we don't sway. Queens got hustle, never slow. Manhattan's pace, city glow.
So guys, basically Central Park divides Manhattan into two parts. The east side on the right of the park, and the west side on the left side of the park. The right side is a neighborhood called Upper East Side. It's the most expensive and the richest neighborhood to live in New York City.
Upper Eastern.
Upper East Side.
Upper East Side.
Yep. So basically, Upper East Side has a nickname of old money because old generation of wealthy families, just the family of Roosevelt, John Kennedy, Rockefeller, they all used to live in Upper East Side. And it's very expensive, mostly residential. There are very few shops and restaurants on Upper East Side.
Oh, they don't have a lot of shops there.
Yeah, it's like mostly residential buildings.
Okay.
And a lot of Upper East Side, they come for a Central Park as their backyards here for picnics and celebrations.
Oh, wow.
And here on the left, there's a stage right there. It's like this place called Summer Stage. So during the summer, they have free shows, concerts here every weekend.
Every weekend. Oh, that's during summer.
Yeah, during the summer, on the summer.
So all the lakes are man-made, right?
Yes. All the lakes here.
Queens got hustle, never slow. Manhattan's pace, city glow. Harlem nights, the music flows. Staten Island.